Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jeff in California on a Stryker SR-655. Jeff got a read go for you, bud. Tune alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, and the cap upgrades. Still stock finals and all that. This thing rock and rolls for what it is. Plenty of audio, clean power, 50 watt slug, 2 watts all the way down. That way if you side run an amp you get full adjustability. 20 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, 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 audio, about 34 watts. 100 watt slug in peak. Hello, 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 hello. About 84 PEP. Now somebody asked, well, what about putting a tone in it? I prefer voice, but I will go ahead and put a tone in it, let you hear it. So it shows about 44 bird average there and still 80 peak. So it gets a whole lot more average that way, but I prefer to use the voice because that's what we're going to be using, not a 1000 hertz tone. All right, Jeff, it's ready to come to you, but I hope you enjoyed. I'm your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.